a little alcohol inside a Coke bottle and ignite it, it takes off. Alcohol acts as fuel and air as the oxidizer. They react to generate thrust. If you optimize the use of oxidizer and fuel, a rocket is born. Today, we are challenging a new chapter, rocket engine trials. Currently, we do not have the means to use pure oxygen, so we can only use air as the oxidizer. This has a drawback. An impure oxidizer ratio that is too high can easily blow out the flame. Therefore, we need a device that injects air and fuel into the combustion chamber and mixes them thoroughly, which is the swirl nozzle. The gas is injected through the central pipe in a clockwise direction, rapidly spinning and moving downward. On the outside, there is the oxidizer channel, which also spins rapidly in a counterclockwise direction. When they finally reach the combustion chamber, the oxidizer and fuel collide. Mix thoroughly. At this point, the conditions inside are very suitable for ignition. We use 3D printing to create a model to test it. These are the components of the swirl nozzle. Now assemble them, bonding the gas channel to the outer jacket, then feed the whole thing into a larger jacket. The nested jackets will spiral and spray the gas and oxidizer here to mix and ignite. Finally, seal each layer one by one, connect the copper pipes and seal the cover. Let's test the effect. Not bad, it's mixed well. Put this pickup tube on as a fuel chamber, then drink again. The effect is very good, with stable combustion, but this blood flow nozzle originally had high temperatures, and now an 8th grade lathe using aluminum is needed to work on it. Okay, the metal version is already set up. Next, we need to drill holes. The core hole is difficult to drill. We have to use the end mill to cut 6 slots first, then drill through each one.
Happy birthday.
Wow.
Let's go.
Now the fuel nozzles have been set up. The telephone is connected through the outer shell. Finally, drill holes in the cover to introduce gas. Next, we need to assemble everything. Seal the parts that need sealing with an electric ring and secure the adapter. Finally, fully fix the aviation water. Let's test it.
Go ahead.
We will end this video.
The mixing effect is very good. Let's try it with the pickup glass. Okay, the combustion is stable, but a new problem was discovered. The interior of the adapter is plastic and won't hold up for long. So, use a screw to make a metal adapter. Hollow out the middle, then add some copper tubing to extend it. Finally, fix them with 502 adhesive and test again. Okay, that angle greatly extends it. Now we need to make a tail nozzle, and the rocket can take shape. This steel plate can even be used for water.
Lead operator.
The central hole is the nozzle annular groove used to place the electric ring, then punch holes on the 4 sides to insert screws. The first generation transparent exploration version of the rocket engine is completed. If you think it can spray the mark ring, type drama on the public screen.
One May.
Okay.
30.
You died, I died.
Put one more. I'll be right back. Okay, what happened to you?
Want to do?
Zoom in on the hot pot.
Oh dear. I still need to add a pattern.
What? Send the music to me. Welcome everyone to watch here.
Thank you.
Do not turn it on. It's just that the circuit is broken. Just change it. It may be that the wire is too thick. Adjust it to the front this time and then test it. This electric circle is fine, but the pressure is too big to make the current flow spray all over the steel. It seems that the simple aerial glue can't be sealed, and the lid can also be removed and the electric circle can be placed. After that, add another piece of iron and screw it on. You can hold it tightly to prevent the steel from coming off. How to do it again?
Me encanta esto.
I don't know.
Am I legit?
This is the first time I've
This is
heard
like
of it.
the 3D.
Although it's very strong, it still doesn't have enough power.